ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீய திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஸ்ரீசைலேஷதயா பாத்திரம் தீபத்யாதி குணார்ணவம் யதீந்திர பிரவணம் வந்தே ரம்யஜா மாதரம் முனிம் இத்யாதி பிரணதோஸ்மி நித்யம் வரமுனி தயா பாத்திரம் கோமட குலோதிதம் ஸ்ரீனிவாசதாதம் வந்தே அஸ்மத் குலதேசிகம். Shubham. On the auspicious Varshika Trinakshatra Utsavam of Yatiraja Swami Emperumanath, with such a relish to come before this august body and give a few pieces of information that I have gleaned from my purvas on Swami Emperumanath அருளிச்செயல் அனுபவம். இந்த எம்பெருமானாருடைய அவதார திருநட்சத்திரத்திலே, இந்த சுப தினத்திலே எம்பெருமானாரும் அருளிச்செயலும் எம்பெருமானாருடைய அருளிச்செயல் அனுபவங்கள் என்பதை பற்றி சற்று சிந்தித்து மகிழ வேணும் என்பது பெரியோர்கள் அடியனுக்கு இட்ட கட்டளை. இந்த சங்கலனமானது டெக்சாஸ் மாநிலத்திலே பிரிஸ்கோ நகரை சார்ந்த சுந்தர பரிபூர்ண திருக்கூட்டம் என்கின்ற ஒரு பாகவதோத்தமர்களுடைய கோஷ்டியின் நியமனமாக அந்த கோஷ்டியினுடைய சஞ்யோகர் கோஆர்டினேட்டர் ஆக அமைந்திருக்கின்ற தமிழ் வளர்த்த கூடல் மாநகரை சேர்ந்த திருமாலிருஞ்சோலை என்னே மலை என்னே என்னே மகிழ்ந்து கொண்டாடும் அந்த கூடல் மாநகரத்தை சேர்ந்த ஸ்ரீமான் லக்ஷ்மிகுமாரன் சுவாமியினுடைய ஆணையின் பேரிலும் அவருக்கு அந்தேவாசியாக இருந்து இந்த சத்விஷயங்களுக்கு உதவுகின்ற பேரங்குளம் ஸ்ரீகிராமத்தை சேர்ந்த சாங்கராஜன் சுவாமி இவர்கள் இருவரும் அடியனுக்கிட்ட கட்டளையின் பேரிலே அவர்கள் நம் சம்பிரதாயத்துக்கும் மற்றும் லோகத்திற்கும் செய்கின்ற நல்ல காரியங்கள் பல்லாண்டாக விளங்க வேணும் என்று எம்பெருமானாரையும் மாமுனியையும் பிரார்த்தித்து சிலமில்லா சிறியேன் அடியேன் யதா சக்தி யதா மதி ஓர் 2 வார்த்தைகளை சொல்லி சத்தை பெற விழைகின்றேன். So this gathering has been coordinated by Sriman Lakshminarayanan, who hails from Madurai, as well as Sriman Sangarajan Swamina. We will be discussing certain important viewpoints on Emperumanar's Arulichayal Anubhavam and Emperumanar's inclination towards Tamil Veda. And I would try my best to make this new analysis interesting but backed by facts. வாழியதிராதன் வாழியதிராதன் வாழியதிராதனன வாழ்த்துவார் வாழியன வாழ்த்துவார் வாழியன வாழ்த்துவார் தாளினையில் தாழ்த்துவார் விண்ணோர் தலை இராமானுசாய நமவென்னு சிந்தித்து இராமானுசரோடு இறையும் போழ்து இராமாறு சிந்திப்பார் தாளினையில் சேர்ந்திருப்பார் தாளினையை வந்திப்பார் விண்ணோர்கள் வாழ் இன்னுலகில் சித்திரையில் ஏந்த திருவாதிரை நாள் என்னையினும் இன்னிதன கேத்தமென்றான் என்னவர்க்கு சாட்சியின்னேன் கேண்மின் எதிராத தம்பிரப்பால் நாள் திசையும் கொண்டாடும் நாள். These are Madhu sweet poems by Vishadavartikamani Swami Manavalamanumedigal. இன்னுலகீர் சித்திரையில் ஏய்ந்த திருவாதிரை நாள் இந்த நன்னாளிலே எம்பெருமானாரும் அருளிச் செயலும் என்ன மகிழ்ந்து அனந்தனும் அருளிச் செயலும் அமலனும் என்ன மகுடமிட்டு அனந்தனும் அருளிச் செயலும் அமலனும் என்ன மகிழ்ந்து மகுடமிட்டு பாகவதோத்தமர்கள் திருவடித்தாள்களிலே சமர்ப்பிக்க முயல்கின்றேன். சுபம். Why did Swami Emberimanar not do any granthas in Agasthica Bhasha, i.e. Tamil? Is there any specific reason, or was there any non-inclination from Swami Emberimanar's part on handling this bhasha, evam granthas in this bhasha? We will handle this on 5 aspects. We will analyze and decipher and place before the lotus feet of this august body that Swami Emberimanar did in fact had greatest devotion, greatest affection and greatest inclination towards Dravida Bhasha. So we will handle this based on 5 attributes. 1, how did Arulit Chayal play a part in his life? Second, how did he handle Dravida Bhasha? Third, why he himself on his own did not do any grantha on his own, rather he delineated it to someone else. And how did he interpret the Arulit Chayal? And what did he do to let his future generation handle Arulit Chayal? எம்பெருமானார் வாழ்க்கையிலே எவ்வாறு அருளிச் செயல் தன்னேற்றம் பெற்றது, எம்பெருமானார் ஏன் தமிழிலே திராவிட பாஷையிலே கிரந்தம் பண்ணல, அதை ஏன் உபேட்சித்து போனாரா அபேட்சித்தாரா, இந்த திராவிட பாஷையிலே இருந்த ஈரச்சொற்களை எவ்வாறு தான் அனுபவித்தார், அந்த அனுபவங்களை எவ்வாறு பிறருக்கு பரப்பினார் என்பதை பற்றி லாஜிக்கலா we will handle. First and foremost, Swami Emberimanar's life was intertwined with Dravida Veda. The Dravida Veda played an important role in transition of Ilayalvar to Yatirasa. Darshanam Vedam Evacha என்று திருக்கச்சி நம்பிகளிடம் சோதிவாய் திறந்தருடைய தேவராஜன் எவ்வாறு எம்பெருமானாருக்கு இந்த ஞானத்தை அளித்தான், பக்தி ரூபாபன்ன ஞானத்தை எவ்வாறு அளித்தான், எவ்வாறு இதை கொண்டு சாஸ்திரத்தை வேதம் சொல்லுவதற்கு ஏற்ப முன்னோர் மொழிந்த முறையிலே வியாசரும் போதாயினரும் தங்கரும் சொன்ன விதத்திலே வேதத்திற்கு முரண்பாடு இல்லாமல் சாஸ்திரத்துக்கு முரண்பாடு இல்லாமல் எவ்வாறு சாஸ்திரத்தை நிர்தாரணம் பண்ணார். How did Swami Emberimanar established the shariri sharira bhava evam visishtadvaita codes? How did he codify that? பாஷ்யகாரர் இது கொண்டு சூத்திர வாக்கியங்களை ஒருங்க விடுவார். So this sets the premise. It is only because of Dravida Bhasha, Geeti Bhasha, Pasuram, Swami Emberimanar was able to understand the dichotomy, understand the variations that were prevalent in those times in interpreting the Vedas and Evam Sutras of Bhadarayana. பாஷ்யகாரர் இது கொண்டு சூத்திர வாக்கியங்களை ஒருங்க விடுவார். Did he avoid Tamil? No. செந்திரத்து தமிழ் என்கையாலே ஆகத்தியமும் அநாதி. I will not be able to do justice to translate these sutras of Azhagiya Manavada Perumal Nayanar in English, but I will, in interlude, I will try to explain as much as I can. So, this Tamil is an age-old Bhasha by like Devanagari, Sentirattu Tamizhale, Tamil Engayale, Agastyamum Anadi, in the Anadi Mozhiyale, Sayyapatta Vakyangalum Arulale, Arulalargal, Arulmozhi Tandadum, Veda Samyame. Bharata Geetaigalin Veda Upanishatvam Pole, Iduvum Vyakkyayanalum, Veda Rahasyamam. So, Azhagiya Perumal Nayanar establishes the reason that Alvar's Hridayam is as equal or if not better than the Drishti of Rishis. Bharata Geetaigalin Veda Upanishatvam Pole, Iduvum Vyakkyayanalum. Although these are like Upabrahmana, Vedartham Arididuvadu Smriti Itihasa Puranangalale. But these are not simply explanatory texts. These are the crux of Vedas himself. So preachings in Tamil by those Bhakti seers, Alvars are Vedam eva. That is the basis upon which I am going to build. Tattvam asi, thou art the. Tattvam asi. Avanum nanum onnu. Jiva Brahmam Aikyam. This is Advaita Parama. Tattvam asi Sandokyam sollittu. Aham Brahma asmi Brihadarinyakam sollittu. If that's the case, how is Emberimanar smart than the earlier preceptors? So we know Swami Emberimanar by and large is a spiritual seer, a philosopher, a great analyst, is a trailblazing social reformer and more importantly a great administrator. So what does an administrator do? An administrator should make unbiased decisions, which Tirukural says in Tamil, Saman செய்து சீர்தூக்கும் கோல் போல் அமைத்து ஒருபால் கோடாமை சான்றோர் கனி. He needs to take and glean those explanatory texts written by the earlier preceptors, right from Vyasa to his immediate preceptors. One of the major and a great personality is Adi Shankara Bhagavad-pada. So he gleaned all those texts and then he has to make unbiased decisions and then contemplate the meaning and then come up with things which is acceptable to Shastras as well as to him and to the Darsana which he is going to follow. Samam செய்து சீர்தூக்கும் கோல் போல் அமைத்து ஒருபால் கோடாமை சான்றோர் கனி. Kodamai means unbiased attitude. So Swami Emberimanar is a great administrator who uses his administrative skills to establish. One of the attributes of administrative skill is to make decisions. So he is going to make unbiased decisions and then establish a new form of philosophical understanding. He is refining, but he is not creating or developing a new form of philosophical understanding. He is only refining it and then codifying it in such a way that people can decipher it. Emberimanar Tarisanam, it is not a new novel phenomenon. Rather, he is establishing and codifying the past. Emberimanar Tarisanam enne idakku namberumal perittu naattinar. So how is he going to reconcile? So what he did? Earlier preceptors only used an esoteric set of granthas, the Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Evam Sutra. But he expanded that, he diversified slightly and he expanded the grantha. He expanded the collection of granthas and he takes into account Svetasvatara Upanishad, Evam Arulichayal, although he did not do anything in Tamil, using Tamil, which is also a classical bhasha according to Azhagiya Perumal Nayanar. He used it, and that's how he brings this Sharira Bhavam. That is the one thing. How did he do that? Because his life has been influenced by these Tamil Vedas, being surrounded by Bhagavadottamas like Tirukkachi Nambigal. That's when he gets introduced to, unless otherwise he got introduced to this bhakti poem, he would not have enjoyed the Kalyana Gunas of Emberuman. So that's when he makes the decision and he slowly deviates away from Yadava Prakasha. Emberuman is a Guna Visishtan. Emberuman is Sakala Kalyana Guna Visishtan. So that's how he deviates. So it is not a Nirguna Brahma. It is Saguna Brahman. Once he gets used to enjoying the gunas of Emberuman, of course through Arulichayal and other bhakti texts, his view of understanding the dry Vedas shifts slowly, and he is being helped by, whether directly or indirectly, by lot of preceptors from the Srirangam Rajadhani. There comes Tiruvaranga Perumal Arayar. This is how direct influence of Arulichayal gets into Swami Emberumanar. These are all anecdotal stories as well as documented in Guru Parambara Prabhava. So, Tiruvaranga Perumal Arayar, the eldest son of Swami Alavandar, comes to Perarulalan and requests Perarulalan to delegate Swami Emberumanar to the southern Rajadhani. So how does he do that? He puts a quid pro quo with Devarajan, and then he sings to his relish with thala and melody mellifluously Arulichayal. That's when, so Arulichayal played a part for translocating Swami Emberumanar to Srirangam Rajadhani first and foremost. By that time he was already influenced by Arulichayal. And since he was imbibed by Arulichayal, what he does was, he takes into account Nammalvar, Swami Nammalvar's granthas and slowly deciphers it. Kandal Sivandu Periyavai Vayum Sivandu Kanundi Ulle Venpal Ilagu Surar Ilagu Vilagu Magara Kundalattan Kondal Vannan Surar Muniyan Nangu Todan Kunisangan Unsangu Kadai Valvilladiyan Oruvan Adiyen Ullane, the clear deciphering of tattvas which was not given in Veda. Brahmam, Aham Brahmasmi, Jiva Brahma Aikyam, if you take it in an overt meaning. But Tamil Veda clearly deciphers tattva into three: Paramapurushan, Chetana, Chit, then Achetana Vastu, Adiyen Ulvan. Adiyen Ullan, Udalullan, Andattu Agattan, Puratullan, period. So tattvas are three. If that's the case, Tattvamasi becomes a moot point. Aham Brahmasmi becomes moot point, overtly. Later on, he makes it more visible to the world using one of his preceptors, Tirukotiyur Nambi, and a great Medhavi Sriman Purattalvan. Let that be aside. But this is where he is able to imbibe the meanings of Veda, true actual meaning of Veda, that Emberuman is Antaryami of every object. Adiyen, the Atma Swarupam is not Jnanameva, Bhakti Rupapanna Seshattvameva Atma Swabhavam. That is the premise. Once this is established, it becomes easy, Kaiyilangu Nellikani, for Swami Emberumanar to establish Shariri Sharira Bhavam. Adiyenullan, Udalullan, Andattu Agattan, Puratullan. So, life of Swami Emberumanar is shaped whether directly or indirectly by Arulichayal. Then it begs the question, if that's the case, why he didn't write it? Two things. Swami Emberumanar was halfway his life. Even when he reached Srirangam Rajadhani, it is said that he was in his 40s. And when he wrote the Grantha Gadhyatrayam, he was really in his hundreds. These are hearsays, not much documented facts. Okay. If that's the case, a Mahapurusha of him, age is not a criteria, age is not a barrier. Okay. I'm doing Purva Paksha. Then why did he not do it? He has done this. He has he has done the explanatory text of Brahma Sutra and spent his time, labored his entire time and knowledge and understanding of this Katina Shastra to establish the darsana, your darsana meaning true path towards attaining moksha. While doing so, he tells the Swarupa of Atman that is Sheshatvameva Atma Swabhavam and Kainkaryameva Phalam. So he labored all his life to establish darsana. In other words, he tries to give a shape and definition to the Paraswarupam Emberuman. So he had dealt his life all through to establish the nature of Paramapurushan. But then when he wants to elaborate it using the Dravida Bhasha, which is equal to Sayamarai Tannudane Serndu, he felt that it would be better for somebody to do it because he had already labored on elaborating the true meaning and true artha of the Shastra. So he had done this so that somebody else could do it, and people interpret that he had a thinking that if he does it, others would not touch it. But this Grantha is so that appoludu aramudam. So each one can interpret in different way and fashion, but it becomes pure, it becomes ajanita, it becomes as if it was born then. So that's one interpretation. But the best interpretation is, that is again in his lifetime, people can link that. Beautiful verse of Mahapurnar is Acharya Purusha, who gave him the Dvaya Mantram, Evam Artham. Alittu Anvidolagado, Pailum Sudarali, Nedumarkadimai, Kanthora Venkurudi, Nanada Valavunar Melai Pattukkalin Arthangal, Kadalosayayitro. Beautiful. 1 hour is not enough to establish the concept, so I will go on a fourth gear. So this is there. So even though Swami Ramanuja knows why Mahapurnar did the Antima Samskara for Maranera Nambi, he could have himself told, but he let that come from somebody superior, somebody who is qualified, somebody who is aptly qualified to let the world know. So Mahapurnar himself tells, Udayavare, Maraneri Nambikku Samskaram Pannadu, ஒரு பெரிய திருவுடையாருக்கு சக்கரவர்த்தி திருமகன் சம்ஸ்காரம் பண்ணதுக்கு தகுமல்லவோ, அது தவறோ? விதுரனுக்கு விதுரனுக்கு தர்மபுத்திரன் செய்த சம்ஸ்காரம் தவறோ என்று கேட்டு he questions, and then he says, don't you think that the sampradaya rests on Bhagavata, Bhagavati, Evam Bhagavata Seshatvam? Nedumar Kadimai, Pailum Sudarali, Nedumar Kadimai, Kanthora Venkurudi, Nannada Vadavunar, Melai Patil. These 4 texts give the artha of the Swarupam of a Sri Vaishnavan. Bhagavata Evam Pradhanena Bhagavata Seshatvam. Nedumar Kadimai, Pailum Sudarali is Seshatvam, Nedumar Kadimai is Kainkaryatvam. Then there is a twist here. So it should be the second decade of Periyatumi. No, then it goes to Tirucherai to connect the Seshatvam. Kanthora Venkurudi is Kanthora Venkurudi is Kainkaryatvam. So Seshatvam, Kainkaryam, Kainkaryam, Seshatvam. So likewise, Swami Rembarmanar let somebody else to reveal important arthas and sastras. He wanted somebody else, somebody who is contemporaneous to him, somebody who is imbibed in this Arulichayal, to put forth those granthas, in Tamil. This is the Tarkika way of understanding. People say normally, if you look at other texts and things which are in the public domain, they say because Swami Embarmanar has already done this grantha in Sanskrit, he had dealt with the Paramapurusha Swarupam of Embarman, he wanted somebody else to do it. And the another interpretation is, if he had done Arulichayal Vyakhyanam and done some text in Tamil, nobody has touched it. Yes, those are all valid. But the most juicy and the most important meaning is, he was trying to find people who are imbibed, who are knowledgeable, who are actually embodiments of Bhakti Rupapanna Jnanam to put forth the meaning of Arulichayal, because he wants to show the world that he is going to practice what the tenet of Sri Vaishnavism is to make sure Bhagavatas are eulogized. That is the reason he asked his uncle son Tirupurgai Piran Bullan to do first interpretation Arayirappadi. See, that is the reason. So we have touched upon two. One, how his life has intertwined with Arudichayal. Ilayalvar becomes Yatirajan because of Arudichayal. Yatirajan delegates the duty to apt people who are embodiments of Bhakti Rupapanna Jnanam to interpret the Tamil Vedas. Why? Because he is an able management guru and an administrator par excellence. Kural again says, Idanai Idanal Ivan Mudippan ennaindu Adanai Avan kan vidal. Because Kural predates the lifetime of Swami Embramanar. So Kural says, Idanai Idanal Ivan Mudippan ennaindu Adanai Avan. Knowing that a person is capable of doing something, one has to delegate the job. Then only he is a leader. Idanai Idanal Ivan Mudippan ennaindu Adanai Avan kan vidal. If one is like this, so Swami Embramanar not only acts as a leader, he is acting as an unbiased person. So he had already labored to portray the Paratvam of Embraman. But what is Mahasastram Pillai Ulagarian says, Alvargal Palavidangalilum Prapatti Pannithum Archayile. Bhakti evam Prapattiyin Yellai Nilam Archavadaratile. Paratvam is difficult to comprehend, but Bhakti Rupapanna Jnanatinale one can easily comprehend the Archa Rupam of Embraman. This is the basis of Arudichayal. If there is no Arudichayal, we will not be having Divya Desam. Alvargal Palavidangalilum Prapatti Pannithum Archayile. So Alvars have gone and did Prapatti in Archayile. Then it again begs the question, Sakadeva Prapannam Kuryami. Why are we doing multiple? Because we are addicted towards Kalyana Guna and Saundarya of Embraman. We become like a child. If a child is grabbing a sweet, it doesn't want to let it go. Or sucking an icicle, keeps on doing it a lollipop. Like that, Swami Manavada Mamligal elaborates this of Pillai Lokacharya, Grantha Sri Sukti, Alvargal, Palavidangalilum, Prapatti Pannithum, Archayile, Ennuma Pole. Why would Alvars go and do this kind of multiple Sharanagati Prapatti? Prapyatvarai Adisiyatale Palavidangalil Prapatti Pannida. It is beautiful. There is nobody who can do Vyakhyana for Ragasya Grantha but for Swami Manavada Mamligal. It is because these people have gone mad towards these Archa Rupam Prapyatvarai. They are addicted. They are so eager. They are rushing because Prapyam Yadu Embarumane Prapyam Avan Kainkaryame Palam. Prapyatvarai Adisayatale Palavidangalilum Prapatti Pannithu Maminiyoda Vakyam. So we are establishing that he feels that there are better people qualified to do because he is an able management guru. If a person who is unbiased like that, only a person who is unbiased, who shows this leadership capability, his generation will flourish. That is the reason even after 1003 years, we are cherishing Swami Embramanar is because of this Gunapurti, unbiased decision making and leadership quality, which Valluvam again says, Seppam Udayavan Akkam, Fidai Vinni, Echattarkum Ema Puraiti. If a man is unbiased and shows leadership quality, his generation will not have any hiatus. The generation will flourish in his own philosophy. Seppam Udayavan Akkam. That Seppam means unbiasedness. If a person is unbiased and shows leadership, his leadership, Seppam Udayavan Akkam, Sidai Vindri, there will be no truncation, no hiatus. Yachattirkum, Yacham means next generation. Yachattirkum, Yema Pudaiti, Yema means strong, flourish. That is the reason we are all now Ramanujadasan, Adiyan Ramanujan. Why? Because he had showed his leadership in such a way that he delegated the work so that some apt people can come and do it. So that is the reason we are enjoying Thiruvaimozhi. Poda Manavada Maminivan Idigettu Purittu Polindu Nirkum Perumal. It is only because of the delegation Swami Embramanar that we are having Vishadavat Sikamani's Grantham, and that is because of the reason Sriranga Rajadhani is shining even today. போத மணவாள மாமுனிவன் ஈடு கேட்டதாலே பூரித்து பொலிந்த பெருமாள். This is one of the Birda Gatiyam for Ranganathan. Number one. போத மணவாள மாமுனிவன் ஈடு கேட்டு அருளியதாலே பூரித்து பொலிந்து நிற்கிறான். As long as Sriranga Rajadhani is there, as long as the text and Vyakyanas of Embramanar and Manaval Mamanigal is there, the Vaishnavism, the Sri Vaishnavism, perhaps the Dharsanam will flourish. So that is established. So we have gone into three parts. Why he delegated it? That is because there is again an anecdotal Aitisham buried in Arudichel, which I said, நெடுமா பயிலும் சுடரளி நெடுமார் கடுமை கண்சோரவன் குருதி நன்னாத வாழ உணர் மேலை பாட்டுக்கள் கடலோசை போலல்லவோ கடலோசை இல்லை. These have been shown that these are living dynamic documents. That is the reason Swami Embirmanar delegated this to people. All the way up to Swami Manavala Mamanigal, who did the Vyakyana for Periyalvar Thirumadi and all the granthas, important granthas, Mumukshupadi, Mahadhastram, and so on and so forth. That is the reason. What is the main reason? Because the main reason he did is to delegate it to proper people. Okay, how do you establish then Swami Embirmanar was inclined towards Tamil Veda? How do you establish an historical personality and their activity? 1, 5 facts I am giving based on logic, whether it is a Sanskritized Tarkika or the way we do research, like Adiyan does. Establish an hypothesis. The hypothesis here is Swami Embirmanar was inclined and he had Mahajnanam of Dravida Veda. That's the hypothesis. Then we have to establish that the hypothesis stands. That is what we are going to do. So how do you do that? If there is a self-documentary evidence, in other words, is there an autobiographical evidence? There is no autobiographical evidence of Swami Embirmanar, but there is a biographical evidence of Swami Embirmanar, not autobiographical, but biographical evidence is there. And that biographical evidence becomes superlative if there is a contemporaneous author living in the same lifetime. Was there any contemporaneous author who scribed the biography of Swami Embirmanar? Yes, Tiruvarangattamuthanar. So, has he ever mentioned any of inclination or any of the knowledge of Swami Embirmanar towards Tamil Veda? Ample poem. Seyyum Pasunthulavat Tojil Malayum Sendamil Peyum Marai Tamil Malayum Peradasir Arangattu Ayyan Kadarkaniyum Parantadanni Adariyamayyan Peyum Marai Tamil. This is a contemporaneous biographical evidence. We don't have to worry about epigraphical reference here. Biographical contemporaneous reference is there. ஈரத்தமிழின் இசையுணர்ந்தோர்க்கு அறப்பொழில் தென் குருகைப்பிரான் அமுதத் திருவாய் ஈரத்தமிழின் இசையுணர்ந்தோர்க்கு இனியவர்தம் சீரை பயின்னுய்யும் சீலங்கொள் நதமுனியை நெஞ்சால் வாரிப்பருகும் ஈராமானுசன். Why I picked up this poem is because there is a reference to Nadamunigal, who in fact brought these Tamil Vedas from delinquents. Okay, so the two references. Then, did Ramanuja have any interest or any knowledge on Tamil? There are only 2 poems in Tiruvarangattamuthanar Grantha that talks about the knowledge attributes of Swami Embirmanar. One direct, one indirect. I'll go with the indirect. படிகொண்ட கீர்த்தி இராமாயணம் என்னும் பக்தி வெள்ளம் உடிகொண்ட கோயில் இராமானுசன். So he knows itihasa. Itihasa shreshtam idi ire Sri Ramayana. So that was inside his heart. Imbibed. He imbibed the artha, that we know. For 365 days, he and his uncle labored on that. Okay. Then, what about his knowledge on Tamil? Yes, there is only one reference. Coincidentally, that is the reference that talks about his knowledge base. Sollar Tamil oru moonum surudigal naangum ella ella aranariyavum therindavan sollar Tamil oru moonu. இயற்பாமூன்னும் வேதத்ரயம் போலே பண்ணார் பாடல் பண்புரை இசைகள் வேதம் போலே. நாயனார் helps us here. So iyal isai nadagam, all these three ways of expressing Tamil Swami Embrumanar knows. சொல்லார் தமிழருமுன்னும் சுருதிகள் நான்கும் எல்லையில்லா அறநெறியாவும் தெரிந்தவன் எண்ணரும் சீர் நல்லார் பரவும் இராமானுகன். His knowledge base was appreciated by the vernacular folks. Nallar paravum. If he had only limited towards the Devanagari text, only certain esoteric people of certain isolated existence would have learnt it, understood him, but he was able to be equal among the others, maybe first among the equal, but he was able to mix and mingle with people because people understood his knowledge base in the vernacular Bhasha Giti. Nallar, each and every word is important when we analyze. Nallar paravum iramanugam sollar tamularumunum surudigal naangum yellayilla aranariyavum arindaman. What this is because he was able to understand Nammalvar Grantha. Even though Nammalvar Grantha sa uyarve paranbadiyai உள்ளதெல்லாம் தான் கண்டு உயர்வேதம் நேர் நேர் உயர்வேதம். It's exact understanding of Veda. He understood it because Thiruvaimozhi is, what is Thiruvaimozhi? Bharata Geethaigalin Veda Upanishadvam pole iduvum vyakhyai. Even though it is Brahmana or Upabrahmana, no, for us it is not Upabrahmana. Idu Veda Rahasyam eva. This is Veda himself. Because it is Veda himself. Eidakariya maraigalai ஆயிரம் இந்தமிழால் செய்தற்கு உலகில் வரும் ஷடகோபனை சிந்தையுள்ளே வைத்தவன். Because he knows Tamil, he understands the literary beauty, evam the granthas in Tamil, he was able to imbibe the exact meaning of எய்தற்கரிய மறையாகிய தேவநாகரி மறையை ஆயிரம் இந்தமிழால் செய்த நம்மாழ்வார் கிரந்தத்தை கொண்டு he was able to understand. Then he picks up this அடியேன் உள்ளான் உடல் உள்ளான் அண்டத்தகத்தான் புறத்துள்ளான். He establishes shariri sharira bhava. So we have known how Tamil was intertwined in his life, how Tamil played a part for him to understand, grasp the Kathina Shastras, and then how he was able to delegate this work because he had knowledge in Tamil and Tamil Shastras. Okay, all these have been, we have established the fact that there is a contemporaneous biographical text written during the time which was accepted by, so that's what it is. The gift keeps on giving here. So this text was finally accepted by Swami Embrumanar itself. So he had endorsed that particular text which tells Swami Embrumanar gleaned the arthas from Tamil Veda of Swami Nammalvar, because not only he was a philosopher, not only he was a social reformer, not only he was a great administrator, he was a management guru, so he knows what to do. Then, okay, so all these have been established. Then are there any additional references showing that this Nammalvar Grantha, Nammalvar is Upalakshana, it includes all the magnum opus, Nalayara Divya Prabandham, Arulichai. Are there any additional references either by him? Okay, we have established what he had done. And then one of his immediate kin is Thirukuruhai Piran Pillan, who started writing and finished it during the lifetime of Swami Embrumanar Arayapadi. Are there anything beyond this? Come on, you can't just justify with 1, 2, 3 akaras. You got to have more. Yes. Greatest personalities who lived and who were closely associated with Swami Embrumanar are Kuresar and Swami Bhatta. All these people, they never wrote anything again in Tamil. Okay. But did they ever mention about anything about Arulichayal, about Tamil Grantha? Is it true that Tamil Grantha was in vogue then? Is it true that it was prevalent then? Yes. We go back to the time of Nadamunigal. Okay, Nadamunigal brought this from Adiyan Srigramam, Alvar Tirunagari. Okay, but that's fine. That's only to your people, the believers like us. the broader community should accept that the Tamil Vedas were equivalent to the Devanagari Veda that is in existence, and people eulogized it. Tell me about it. When Nadamunigal was living, along the same time, there was a great Tamil poet called Kamban. Kamban was able to deliver his magnum opus Kambar, 10,000 poem, Kamba Ramayanam, only because of the blessings of Shatakopar. So that is again a reference. See, it's easy to just talk among the faithful. That's not a big deal. You got to establish it in a literary circle. So we have been establishing, climbing the ladder each rung at a time. Then when Kamban was trying to deliver this Ramayana to great scholars in Srirangam, that is Sri Vaishnava Rajdhani, he couldn't do it unless otherwise it was blessed by Shatakopan. So he sings an eulogy in praise of Shatakopan, known as Shatakopan Andadi, where he clearly says the importance of this Tamil Veda. Vedattin mun selga mai unandor virinchan mudalar kodatta ஞானக் கொழிந்தின் mun selga குணங்கடந்த போதக்கடல் எந்தன் குரூர் புனிதன் கவியோர் பாதத்தின் முன் செல்லுமே தொல்லை மூல பரஞ்சுடரே. எம்பெருமான் cannot step in front of Tamil Veda, whereas Vedas, Virinchan means Brahma. Brahma was the first person who recited this Veda, hence it is known as Odudal. So even Brahma has to run behind Emperuman, meaning Veda has to run behind Emperuman. Vedattin mun selga meyyunarndor virinchan mudalar kodatta ஞானக் கொழிந்தின் mun selga. ஞானக் கொழுந்து, Emperuman always walks in front of Brahma, meaning Vedam. Whereas that same Brahman cannot put one of his steps before Arulichayal, showing for Sri Vaishnavas, Arulichayal was always important. When was this? During the 10th century, 100 and 150 years before Swami Emperuman's existence. During the lifetime of Nadamunigal, the importance and preponderance of Tamil Veda was established. One fact. So Tamil Veda was in vogue. So Nadamunigal, Alavandar, Evam Kuresan, Bhattar knows Tamil Veda. There is existence. They would have learned Tamil Veda. How do you know? You need to find any references, written documents. Okay, we all accept Vaikuntha Stavam. We all accept that Sundara Bahustavam. We all accept Sriranga Rajastavam, right? These are all written by these two gentlemen, right? Mahapurusha. There are solid references showing that in Srirangam people recited in Chandra Pushkarani Tamil Veda. This itself is a doctoral thesis. Luckily, my grandfather was able to translate to me. Vakuladhara Saraswati Vishakta Swara Rasa Bhava Yutasu Kinnarishu Dhavati Drishadapi Prasakta Ganasu Ihavana Chaila Tatishu Sundarasya. You know, Puresha's writing is tough, but I will decipher. Vakuladhara Saraswati Vishakta Swara Rasa Bhava Yutasu. Vakulamala, the person who is wearing, adoring Vakuladhara, Swami Nammadwar Saraswati Bhav, Vishakta, not only is letters, Swara, the Artha, Rasa, then the Tattvartha, not only the words, not only the meaning, but the inner meaning, Tattvartha, were all imbibed by people who are sitting in Chandra Pushkarani. Dhavati Drishadapi Prasakta Gana, not only Chandra Pushkarani, but also in Tirumalirinjolai. Dhavati Drishadapi Prasakta Gana Suiha Vanashaila Tatishu Sundarasya. The Vanashaila, Vanadri has become so beautiful like this. Yam Chaitra Masa Sriman, Chaitra Sriman, Yam Masaha Punya Pushpakanana. The same season we are in, the same season where Swami Emperumanar is born. It's all blossoming with flowers in Vanachala, in Tirumalirinjolai, because the Devas, Kinnarishu, they come there imbibed not only in the words of Vagula Bharanan, but also the meaning, but also the Arthagambirya, rasas, swara rasa bhava yutasu kinnarishu. It is only because of that the rivers are flowing. People are mellifluously singing these bhasha in Vanadri. Traividya Vriddha Janamu. Then he again goes to Vaikuntha Stavam. This is in Antimanusha Stava, which I alluded before. In Vaikuntha Stavam he says, Traividya Vriddha Janamudha Vibhushanam Yati. People who are learned in Vedas, they feel it is only Vakulabharana Sri Sukti has to be adorned in their head. Traividya Vriddha Janamudha Vibhushanam Yati. Sampatta Satvika Janam. The wealth of the Sri. What is Sri? The Sri for Satvika people is Vakulabharana Vaksudha. Sampatta Satvika Janasya Yadeva Purnam. So let's see what his son does. Risham Jishamahe Krishna Krishna Tattvamivoditam. In the frontal portion of Srirangarajastavam, this comes Bhattar Sri Sukti. There is no appeal for Bhattar Sri Sukti because he is Sri Lalita Tattvam. Okay, one fact establishing, I am establishing the facts where step by step. So, Kure sir has generously handled Vakulabharana Vaksudha in his important grantha, Atimanushastavam, Sundarabhagustavam, Vaikunthastavam. Traividya Vriddha Janabhodha Vibhushanam Yati Sampacha Sattvika Janasya Yadeva Punyam Yadva Sharanyam Asharanya. For those people who do not have any refuge, it is the refuge is Swami Nammarmar's speech. Yadva Sharanyam Asharanya Janasya Punyam Tatsram Shrayema Vakula Bharanangri. For them the refuge is the Padadvaya of Vakula Bharanam. Let's see what Bhattar says. Risham Jushamage Krishna Krishna Tattvamivoditam Sahasrasaka Yah Adrakshi. Beautiful word. Bhattar picks this word. Like Rishi Sa Mantra Drashtaha Rishi Evam Nammalvar also saw this because why? Yennaikum Yennai Uyya Konduvogi Annaikan Yennai Kannaki Yennal Tannai in Tamil Padiya is, and it is Emperman himself comes in his tongue and sings. Unlike Veda. Veda is only independent flow of exhalation of Emperman. Evam varesya mahato bhutasya nishvasitam yetat yadrugvedo yadurveda samavedo tarvangirata itihasa puranam vidya upanishada sloka sutrani vyakyani anuvyakyani asyaivaitani nisvasitani. It is only independent uncontrolled exhalation of Emperman. Oh, whereas Mudalvan given Enridante, Mudal Vandu Pugunde, Vai Mudal Appan comes to my tongue. It is not independent, something flowing out of his nostril. He comes, Mudal Appan, that is the guy who is primordial. He comes, Mudal Ivan Enridante, Mudal Vandu Pugundu, Nalin Kavi. Mudal Bhattakku Kandanai Chonnai Envai Mudalappan. So he himself comes into my tongue and gives these sukti. So don't you think this is better than this free exhalation? Upanishadaha sloka sutrani anuvyakyani vyakyani asyaivaitani nisvasitani. So this is Bharam. This is better than those escalation proof. Right? That's what Bhattar says. There's no appeal. Adrakshit yaha adrakshit dravidave vakula bharanam vande jagad abharanam muni yashrute uttaram bhagam chakre dravida bhashaya. Okay. Contemporaneous evidence. One more beautiful to say, then say, okay, it's all there. But were there people practicing it? Come on. Somebody would have written here and there and then kept himself, or they would have done it in their own griha. Was it universally accepted? Yes. There is epigraphical evidence in Srirangam Rajadhani saying that prior to the lifetime of Swami Emperman, Chola king gave manya, request money for people to recite Tiruvaimozhi. It doesn't specifically say Arulichayal, but it's Upalakshana. Says Tiruvaimozhi in Srirangam Rajadhani. There is epigraphical evidence. If you go to Kidapudikatte, you will see. Then that's fine. Then But are there any other texts saying that people were practicing this Vaksudha, Madhura Vaksudha? There is. Bhatta says people have to read through these prisms to understand. Sri Rangaraja Karanamrita Shakikabhya. Yes, people were sitting near Chandra Pushkarani, exactly near that Punaimaram, the Sthala Vriksha of Srirangam, Rajadhani, and they were reciting this Vaksudha. Sri Rangaraja Karanamrita Shakikabhya Lakshmya Swahastakalita Shravana Avatamsam Punnagatallajamajasra Sahasra Giti Sekottaha Divya Nija Saurabham Amanama Sathan Punnagatallajam Ajasra, always Nirantarameva Ajasra Punnagatallajam, on the they were sitting on the platform. Punnagatallajam Ajasra, always. That doesn't mean it's 24/7, it's Nirantaram. Punnagatallajam Ajasra Sahasra Giti Seka Uttaha. Sahasra Giti, what? Yes. Satamula Shatankura. It is nothing but Durvari. Durvari, Duhu, Uruvaha, Durvari. So it is basically Tiruvaimuri. Sahasra Parama Devi Shatamula Shatankura. Veda says it refers to grass, but Duhu, Uruvaha, iti Durvari. Duhu means Durgati. You can interpret like that based on your Chamatkara and Chatu. Okay. Punnagatallajamajasra Sahasra Giti Sekottaha. On the Punnaga, near Punnaga, Punnaga means Punnaimaram, near Punnaimaram, people have been reciting non-stop, Ajasraha, Nirantaram, Yappodum. Sahasra Gitis, because of that, because of the recitation of these 1,000 pavans of Swami Nammalvar, Divya Nija Saurabham, it has some fragrance. This is Kavi Upreksha. It has some fragrance, Bhatta says. So it has some natural fragrance, and because of that natural fragrance of Punna Vriksha in Chandra Pushkarani, both Sriranganathan and Periya Piratiyar got attracted, it seems. So they would use it as their Udhyan. They would use it as their garden to play. Srirangaraja Karanamrita. And then what does Srirangaraja do? He comes there and he wants to satisfy his beloved. So he comes and then he just plucks these Namraja, means to make it low, to lower those Tallajam, those branches. Okay, Srirangaraja Karanamrita. It is because of Srirangaraja's hand these branches are lowered so that Periya Pirati can come and pluck those flowers. Beautiful. Srirangaraja Karanamrita Shakika, Shaka, the branches. Because Rangarajan comes and pulls down those branches, Periya Pirati comes and plucks the flower. Lakshmya Swahasta Kalita, with her own hand. Why? Because they both are attracted by the fragrance that have gotten through the recitation, non-stop recitation of Nammalvar's Bhasha Giti, Sri Sukti. Lakshmya Swahasta Kalita Shravana Avatam. Then what does this lady do? This great lady asks her lover, oh, can you make ear-stead for me? Why ear-stead? That's the beauty of butter. Because this flower is imbibed the Swara, Rasa, Bhava of Vagulabharana Sri Sukti. So she wants to listen to it all the time. So she makes earrings out of those flowers which have gotten the Saurabham of Vakulabharana. What else you need to show proof that Nammalvar's poem were in vogue? Established. So, epigraphical evidence, contemporaneous biography, contemporaneous literature, not by ordinary common Joe Blow like us. Mahapurushas, Kuresar, Mojiyakadakkum, Perumpugayan. And then his son, Sri Lalita Tattvam, who has so many acharyas, Emberimanar, Kuresar, Govindan. And Emberimanar Because of this, Emperumanar interprets Thiruvaimozhi. Some people said, is it Vishwamitra Srishti? No. He has his own knack of interpreting Thiruvaimozhi. Beautiful. செஞ்சற்கவிகாள் உயிர்காத்து ஆட்சைமின் மஞ்சக்கள்வன் மாமாயன். When he sings about Tirumalinjolai, everybody interpreted saying செஞ்சற்கவிகாள், oh great people, great poets who are singing the praise of Kannadam Brahma, don't get attracted, don't get swallowed away by the beauty of Emperuman. உயிர்காத்து ஆட்சைமின், then only you will be able to do Kainkariam. That is a general interpretation. But because Swami Emperumanar was imbibed in the Rasa Swara Bhava, he recites, it's not, guys, it's not you, don't try to protect your life, try to protect Emperuman's life. Because of costless mercy, he wants to give more and more and more and more to bhaktas like you. If you bhaktas are going to do Kainkariam to him, how would he take care of his Swarupa to show that he is a costless giver of a costless mercy? எம்பெருமானுடைய உயிரை காத்துக் கொள்ளுங்கள், உங்கள் உயிரை காத்துக் கொள்ளாதீர்கள் என்று எம்பெருமானாருடைய அர்த்த நிர்வாகம். Forget preserving your chastity. Preserve the chastity of Emperuman, because his duty is to give you boundless mercy. But if you people go and do this kind of service to him, he may not have that arjavam in him. He may not have that capacity, because what will he do? To whom he can give? You see how he interprets? So likewise, Emperumanar has done 35 interpretations of Tirumazhi, right from first, Sudaroli, Uyarvara Uyarnalam, Udayavan Yavanavan, Mayarvara Madinilam, Madinilam Arulinan Yavanavan, Tuyararu Sudaradi. We all say Emperuman's Dvayam, Padangri Dvayam is blemishless. Why? People again interpret it is because Emperuman is Swarat, Emperuman is Paramapurushan. That's okay. But not because of that. Because Bhagavadas like us, that is Sri Vaishnavism. This inner meaning of Sri Vaishnavism comes to the fore only because of Arudichayal. நெடுமாள் அழகுதனில் நிழ்குணத்தில் ஈடுபடுமா நிலையுடைய பத்தற்கு அடிமைதனில் எல்லை நிலம் தானாக எண்ணினான் மாறன் அது கொல்லை நிலமான நிலை கொண்டு கண்போரவன் குருதி வந்திழிய வெந்தழல் போல் கூந்தளாடை மண்பேர முளையுண்ட மாமதலாய் வானவர்தம் கோவே என்ன விண்சேரும் இளந்திங்கள் அகடுரிஞ்சி மணிமாட மல்கு செல்வத் தஞ்சேரை எம்பெருமான் தாழ்த்தொழுவார் காண்மின் என் தலை மேலாரே. People, if they see Bhagavan and Bhagavata, people want their feet on their head. En talai melare, Kali and Christ. So all these Bhagavatas and Bhagavatottamas go and then ask for Kshamapana in the feet of Swami Emperuman and Emperumanar and their Swacharyan. Because of that, these Bhagavata spirits go and touch Emperuman's feet, it becomes Jyoti Swarupam, not because of his own innate character. That's the interpretation of Swami Emperumanar. Then, what did I say? Seppam Mudayavanakam Sidai Vinni Echatthi Kema Pudai, the last point. So, did it stop with him? Or did this inclination to Tamil Veda flow bountiless? Yes, it flew among his own, among the generations and generations and generations, even today. Why? Adile, Adile, Aravarasai Araithu, beautiful poem of Appillar. ஆதியிலே அரவரசை அழைத்து அரங்கர் அவனியிலே 200 ஆண்டு இரும் நீர் என்ன பாதியிலே உடையவராய் வந்து தோன்னி பரமபதம் நாடி அவர் கோவேனென்னு. He left in the middle. 120 years he reached Paramapadam. But this inclination towards Tamil Veda and propagation of Tamil Veda should continue. Did it continue? Yes. நீதியாய் முன்போல் நிற்க நாடி நிலுவைதனை நிறைவேற்றி வரும் என. Go and finish the remaining 80 years. நிலுவைதனை நிறைவேற்றி வரும் என்ன வாரும் என்ன சாதாரணம் என்னும் மாவருடம் தன்னில் தனித்துலா மூல நாள் தான் வந்தாரே. Karama Acharyan was born in our Gomatam clan. Niluvaidhanai niraivetri varum enna sadharanam ennum avarudam tannil tanithula munanal tan vandare. He came and people criticized. You established all these facts. Okay, I accept. Still, I have an irk that he didn't write. Swami Emperumanar did not write any of his own text in Tamil. Wait. He is giving. That is the reason I know there will be people like this in 2000 and 2020. They will still criticize. So he spent his remaining 80 years. He came to spend his remaining 80 years as Manavala Mamanigal, who just poured his heart in Tamil Grantha. Alvargal vaali arudichayal vaali Talvadumil Puravardam vaali Yalvarum uyavargal uraithavaigal dam vaali Sayyamarai தன்னுடனே சேர்ந்து தனித்துலா முரணாளிலே ஆழ்வார்த்திரியிலே கோமல வம்சத்திலே பிறந்த மகான் தமிழுக்காகவே வாழ்ந்தார். That is the reason during Arayal Seva, this is an important that போத மணவாள மாமணிவன் ஈடு கேட்டதாலே பூரித்து பொறிந்த பெருமாள். So he came and did Upadesa Ratnamalai. He did the magnum opus, a beautiful Tamil poetry in a great grammatical way. Thiruvayimozhi Nuttandadi, Arti Prabandham, of course, and then Vyakhyana of Periyalvar Thirumozhi, all Manipravala Vyakhyas of three important grantha. What else you need? Adile Aravarasai Adathu Arangar Sonna Pole Keranur. They both spent 200. It is because these both are Seshamsam. That is what the lecture was titled, Anantanum Arulichayalum. So why? Because it was announced in the text by Vyasa itself that these people will come and they will labor for the cause of both Vedas. Kalau kali bhavishyanti narayana parayana. Bhagavatam says, Kvachin Maharaja Dravideshu cha bhurisha, in plenty, both in terms of number and in terms of the quantity of the work. Sampravarni Nadi Yatra Kritamala Payasvini. Nammalvar and Mamanigal were born Sampravarni Tira. Sampravarni Nadi Yatra Kritamala Payasvini. Kaveri cha Mahapunya Pratiti cha Mahanadi. Eti Bhanti Jalam Tasam Manuja Manujeswara. These people are superior personalities. Manuja Iswaraha. Prayo Bhakta Bhagavati Vasudeva Amalashaya. That is what it is. Both incarnation of Adisesha, Emperumanar and Manavala Mamanigal came. One established the premise of Tamil Veda. The other propagated it. Idunuppatara Irapperukar. Why? Because all the complicated Vedas are crystallized into clear water by Manavala Mamanigal and Alvar. Mannadina Sahaya Jalam Todhavati Changani Turayile Tugilvanna Tennirai Andastat Turayile Tugilvanna Tennira Andastatai Kattuma Pole Alpa Surudar Kalakina Sudi Nanyana Turai Serndi Telivutru All Porulai Arvitadu. Where it happened in Sanganitturai, the bank of Tambravarani in Alvar Tirunagari, exactly behind my Griham. Mannadina Sahaya, not at the end, Gomram. Mannadina Sahaya Jalam Todavati Changanitturai, Sanganitturai, Narasimhappaditturai. Mannadina Sahaya Jalam Todavati Changanitturai, Tugilvanna Tennirai. All the complications in Veda cleared. At the end, Udal, Paramapurushan, Tattvam, Trayam, Moonu. Visishthathala only. Bhinna Bhinnameva Tattvam. Darshanam, Bhedamevacha. All clear because of Nammalva. Tugilvanna Tennirai, Antastattai Kattum. It showed the inner meaning. Rasabhava Sudha. Andastattai Kattuma Pole, Alpasrudi Kalak, Alpasrudar Kalakina Srudi. The Srudi was complicated. Why? How do I reconcile? aham brahmasmi tattvam asi. How to reconcile? Alvar help. அந்தஸ்தத்தை காட்டுமா போலே அல்பசுருதர் கலக்கின ஸ்ருதி ஞானத்துறை சேர்ந்து தெளிவுற்று ஆள் பொருளை gave the inner meaning of Veda. That is, so in all the way, the life of Ramanuja, the contemporaneous biographical text, epigraphical text, later day epigraphical text, contemporary literatures of important Mahapurushas, of course, that too not in the language but in some other language, that adds to the credence. And then his progenies and his future generation, whether it is Lokacharya or Nayanar or Thiruvaimozhi Pillai or Manavala Mamunidar. Vedartham aridi idivadu Shruti Smriti Itihasa Puranangalale. Mahashastram, first aphorism. Last one. Acharya Abhimanagme Uttarakam. Combine these two. Vedartham Acharyane. So the Artha of Veda is Acharyan, none other than Embramana, none other than Mamunidar. Sirarum Ediradar Tiruvadigal Vaadi, Tiruvarayil Satya Sindhuvarade Vaadi, Yerarum Sayyavadi Eppadum Vaadi, Ilankiya Munnul Vaadi, Ilaitholgal Vaadi, Thorada Tuyadaya Mugachodi Vaadi, Thumuruval Vaadi, Thulaimalakkangal Vaadi, Irara Tirunamam Manindedil Vaadi. ஞானசித்திரை வாழியே இப்புவியல் அரங்கேத கிடனைத்தான் வாழியே திருவாய்மொழி பிள்ளை இணையறியோன் வாழியே ஐப்பதியில் திருமூல தவதரித்தான் வாழியே அரவரத பெருஞ்சோதி அனந்தன் என்னும் வாழியே எப்பொழியும் சீசைலம் ஏத்த வந்தோன் வாழியே யாரும் எதிராக என உதித்தான் வாழியே முப்பரி நூல் மணிபுரமும் முக்கோல் தரித்தான் வாழியே மூதறிய மணவாள மாமுனிவன் வாழியே தந்தமிழ் வேதிய சிந்ததெளிந்து பிறந்து மகிழ்ந்திடுநாள் சீருலகாரிய செய்த நிலக்களை தேது பொருந்திடுநாள் மந்த மதிப்பு விமானிரதங்களை வானில் உயர்த்திடுநாள் மதுரஞானிதேர் எதிராதம் வாழ்வு முளைத்திடுநாள் கந்த மலர்ப்பு குறிகாதிபன் கலைகள் விளங்கிடுநாள் காரமருதீர்கள் மனோள முனிப்பரன் அவதாரம் செய்திடுநாள் அழகில் திகழ்ந்திடும் ஐப்பதியில் திருமூலம் அதனாலே ஸ்ரீமதே ரம்யதாமாத்ரு முனீந்திராய் மகாத்மனே ஸ்ரீரங்கவாசினே பூயாது நித்யஸ்ரீ நித்யமங்கலம் ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமான் ஆர்ஜியர் திருவடிகளே சனம் சமஸ்த சன்மங்களானி சந்து தாசம்.